We did it, y'all. The entertainment center is done. The project is complete. I hope you guys had as much fun as I did doing it. This was a great project, super fun. I'm actually gonna miss it now that it's done. But now we got the decorating in there too. We got our little friend Bruce, the steer, my wife, with all the decorating knowledge and everything. But stay tuned for a little before and after video slideshow. And then stay tuned in the future as we move back into the kitchen, into the next phase of the home remodel. Be doing the butcher block island and butcher block desk there. But stay tuned, gang, and here's a little before and after.